Annyeong-ha-SE-yo, KoreanFlashX fam. Ever wonder why K-pop idols like SSERAFIM sound so effortlessly smooth when they speak Korean? It's not just talent, it's a secret ingredient called vowel harmony, and today, we're going to unlock it together so you can sound just as natural. Get ready to level up your Korean with phrases you'll actually use with your bias. Imagine you're finally at a fan sign, heart pounding, ready to meet your favorite K-pop group. Or maybe you're just meeting a new Korean friend for the first time. These phrases are your golden ticket to a great first impression. Hello. / how are you? Standard polite greeting to anyone you don't know well, who is older, or in a formal setting, e.g., meeting a K-pop idol, cashier, new acquaintance.
안녕하세요.
Now you try. Formal.
안녕하세요.
Casual.
안녕. 언녕. 안녕하세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 네, 안녕하세요. 잘 지내셨어요? 네, 잘 지냈어요.
Watch your pronunciation. The an-ha is often aspirated, like a soft H sound where you breathe out. Don't make it a harsh H. The part flows smoothly, almost like "hey-seo." They would reply.
네, 안녕하세요.
In K-drama, used in virtually every K-drama. Think Crash Landing on You S1E1 when Yoon Se-ri first encounters Ri Jong-hyuk in North Korea. Nice to meet you. Say this after greeting someone new in a polite setting, expressing your pleasure at the encounter, e.g., after to a new classmate or idol.
만나서 반가워요.
Now you try. Formal.
만나서 반가워요.
Casual.
만나서 반가워. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반가워요. 네, 안녕하세요. 저도 만나서 반가워요. 어디서 오셨어요?
Watch your pronunciation. The ban is a soft B sound, not a hard P. The weo is a diphthong, pronounced like wo without the H sound. They would reply.
저도 만나서 반가워요.
In K-drama, seen in weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-ju S1E1 when Bok-ju first meets Junhyung on campus and they introduce themselves. I'm a big fan. / I'm really a fan. Enthusiastically express your admiration and support to a K-pop idol, celebrity, or someone whose work you admire, in a polite tone.
정말 팬이에요.
Now you try. Formal.
정말 팬이에요.
Casual.
완전 팬이야. 완전 PAEN-i-eyo. 정말 팬이에요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
안녕하세요. 정말 팬이에요. 와주셔서 감사합니다. 응원할게요.
Watch your pronunciation. The ae in pain is a flat A sound, like in the English word cat, not like pen. Make sure your mouth is wider, not rounded. They would reply.
와주셔서 감사합니다.
In K-drama, often depicted in K-dramas featuring idols, like True Beauty or Dream High, where fans express their overwhelming support. You've successfully greeted your idol, now what? Whether you're at a pop-up store, a cafe, or just exploring Seoul, these phrases will help you navigate your fan journey like a pro, asking politely and thanking genuinely. Can I take a photo? Politely asking for permission to take a photo, e.g., at a fan meeting, if allowed, a cafe, or a beautiful tourist spot.
사진 찍어도 될까요?
Now you try. Formal.
사진 찍어도 될까요?
Casual.
사진 찍어도 돼. 사진 jji-geo-do DWA. 사진 찍어도 될까요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
실례합니다. 사진 찍어도 될까요? 네, 찍으세요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The double consonant, jji, is a tense jj sound, like the ch in church but without the aspiration, no breathy sound. The DWAE is a diphthong, pronounced like we. They would reply.
네, 찍으세요.
In K-drama, fans asking for photos of celebrities is a common trope, seen in My Love from the Star when Cheon Song-yi is out in public. Thank you. Formal. Standard formal thank you, suitable for any polite situation, from thanking an idol to a store clerk or a server.
감사합니다.
Now you try. Formal.
감사합니다.
Casual.
고마워. 고마워요. 감사합니다.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
여기 주문하신 음료 나왔습니다. 감사합니다. 네, 맛있게 드세요.
Watch your pronunciation. The ending in is pronounced emanita due to consonant assimilation, not supanita. The gam has a soft G sound. They would reply.
천만에요.
In K-drama, used constantly in all K-dramas. For instance, in hospital playlist when doctors thank their fellow staff or patients. Please give me one of these. Pointing to an item in a store, cafe, or restaurant and politely asking for one of it.
이거 하나 주세요.
Now you try. Formal.
이거 하나 주세요.
Casual.
이거 하나 줘. 아이지오 하나 제이더 베루요. 이거 하나 주세요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
저기요, 이거 하나 주세요. 네, 알겠습니다. 잠시만요. 감사합니다.
Watch your pronunciation. The Ju in SE-yo is a soft J sound, like J in jam. The SE is a soft S sound, not a SH. They would reply.
네, 여기 있습니다.
In K-drama, ordering coffee in coffee prints or snacks at a convenience store in Backstreet Rookie are perfect examples. Now that you're comfortable with basic interactions, let's dive into the fun part, talking about your K-pop faves. These phrases will help you express your admiration and connect with fellow fans, just like in your favorite K-dramas. You're so cool/awesome. /it's so cool. Complimenting someone's appearance, performance, talent, or an item/situation in a polite and enthusiastic way.
너무 멋있어요.
Now you try. Formal.
너무 멋있어요.
Casual.
너무 멋있어. 네오무 미오시시요. 너무 멋있어요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is In conversation.
오늘 무대 너무 멋있어요. 감사합니다. 즐거우셨어요? 네, 최고였어요.
Watch your pronunciation. The n often assimilates and sounds like a tense, ss, when followed by. So, it sounds more like 멋있어요 rather than 멋있어요. They would reply.
감사합니다.
In K-drama, fans complimenting idols and dream high or characters complimenting each other's style in hometown cha-cha-cha are common instances. Who's your bias? Literally, who is your most beloved? Asking a fellow K-pop fan about their ultimate bias, favorite member or group, in a polite and friendly manner.
최애 누구예요?
Now you try. Formal.
최애 누구예요?
Casual.
최애 누구야? CHW의 누구야? 최애 누구예요?
Fill in the blanks. The answer is? In conversation.
혹시 최애 누구예요? 저는 SSERAFIM의 사쿠라예요. 아, 저도요. 너무 예뻐요.
Watch your pronunciation. The AE in JUAE is a flat A sound. The chu is a diphthong, pronounced like we. The yi in is like yeah. They would reply.
제 최애는 아이돌 이름 지예요.
In K-drama, friends discussing their favorite idols or celebrities is a staple in K-dramas like Reply 1988 or 2521. Let's meet again next time. A polite and warm farewell, expressing hope to meet again in the future, suitable for friends, acquaintances, or even idols.
다음에 또 만나요.
Now you try. Formal.
다음에 또 만나요.
Casual.
다음에 또 봐. 다이우엠이 토 BWA. 다음에 또 만나요.
Fill in the blanks. The answer is in conversation.
오늘 즐거웠어요. 다음에 또 만나요. 네, 저도요. 다음에 또 만나요. 조심히 들어가세요.
Watch your pronunciation. The to is a tense TT sound, similar to the TT in butter but without the R sound. Make sure to pronounce it with tension in your throat. They would reply.
네, 또 만나요.
In K-drama, used frequently in almost all K-dramas, especially when friends or colleagues part ways, like in Reply 1994 or Prison Playbook. Quick quiz. How would you politely ask a K-pop idol, "Nice to meet you"? The answer is man-na-seo ban-GA-weo-yo. Here's everything you learned today. Chingu, you just learned the secret to sounding naturally fluent, just like your favorite K-pop idols. By mastering these phrases, you're not just speaking Korean, you're speaking the language of K-culture. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to KoreanFlashX for more engaging lessons, and tell us in the comments, who's your? Next time, we're diving into 5 Korean phrases for a K-drama marathon. See you then.